Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. So let's get right into it. First up, let's quickly understand why you might want to freeze panes. As you can see on my screen here, I have a worksheet with headers labeled month, product ID, name, and so on. When I scroll down to view all the values, the headers disappear off the top of the screen and it becomes difficult to track which data belongs to which column. This is where the freeze panes feature comes in handy. It allows you to keep these headers visible at all times, making it much easier to navigate through our data. Let's go ahead and fix that by freezing the top row. Go to the View tab. In the window group, click on Freeze Panes and then select Freeze Top Row from the drop-down menu. Now as you can see on the screen, when I scroll down, the header remains static and visible at the top. And if you are looking to unfreeze panes, simply click on Freeze Panes and select Unfreeze Panes. Now suppose I want to keep the first two columns visible when I scroll horizontally. I will select the column immediate next to the second column. In our case, that is column C. Then click on Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Panes from the drop-down menu. You can now see that the first two columns stay visible as I scroll across the worksheet. Let's say for instance, I want to freeze both the top row and the first column. To do this, I will select the cell that is immediately below the top row and to the right of the first column. Cell B2 in our case. Once B2 is selected, go to Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes. Now both the top row and the first column remain fixed as you navigate through your sheet. And that's how you freeze panes in Excel. This feature is quite useful for maintaining a clear view of your data headers or specific columns as you work with large worksheets. Give it a try and see how much easier it makes navigating your data. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.